Recently, faceless quiz channels have been exploding in popularity across YouTube. These channels leverage simple yet addictive content formats to attract massive audiences. One such channel has already gained millions of views. They have nearly 750,000 subscribers and generated thousands of dollars in ad revenue. What's most impressive is how easily and quickly these videos can be created, thanks to the power of AI tools and smart content automation techniques. You don't need a professional studio, expensive equipment, or even advanced editing skills. With this guide, you'll learn step-by-step how to produce similar viral quiz videos in just minutes. Why emoji quiz videos work. Before we dive into the creation process, let's take a moment to understand why this format works so well. Universal appeal. Emojis are a universal language. People of all ages, languages, and cultures can participate, making the content highly inclusive. Engagement-driven. The quiz format invites viewers to play along, pause the video, or comment their answers, boosting engagement metrics. Algorithm-friendly. With viewers likely to watch multiple questions, retention rates soar, signaling YouTube's algorithm to promote the video further. Reusability. Once you master the format, you can easily create endless variations, ensuring a consistent stream of content for your channel. Step 1. Planning your video. Good planning is the foundation of a successful video. Here's how to get started. Choose a theme. While emoji quizzes are already a niche, you can narrow it down further for your audience. General quizzes, e.g., guess the word, object, or movie. Specific topics, e.g., guess the country, food item, or animal. Difficulty levels, e.g., beginner, intermediate, or expert emoji challenges. Set your video structure. Most successful quiz videos follow a predictable yet engaging structure. Intro. Briefly explain the quiz rules, e.g., guess the word based on these emojis. You'll have 10 seconds for each question. Questions. Show the emojis, provide a timer, and then reveal the answer. Outro. Encourage viewers to comment their scores, subscribe, and watch more videos. Aim for a runtime of 10-20 minutes with 30-50 questions in total. Gather inspiration. Check out other successful quiz channels for ideas. Take note of their pacing, visuals, and engagement tactics. Analyze their most viewed videos to understand what resonates with audiences. Step 2. Creating your questions. This is where AI tools like ChatGPT come into play, making it incredibly easy to generate creative and engaging questions. Generate a list of compound words. Start by asking ChatGPT to create a list of compound words for your quiz. For instance, these words should be easy to guess with emoji clues. Assign emojis to words. Once you have the words, ask ChatGPT to assign emojis to each part of the compound word. Use this prompt. Create a voiceover script. Next, ask ChatGPT to create engaging voiceover lines for each question. Use prompt like this. Step 3. Designing your video in Canva. Canva is a powerful tool for creating professional-looking videos without advanced editing skills. Set up your project. Open Canva and select the video format. Create a blank canvas with a resolution of 1920x1080 standard HD size. Design your quiz layout. Design a visually appealing slide template for your quiz. Include background. Use animated elements or gradient colors for a dynamic look. Question number. Place it at the top left corner inside a circular frame. Emojis. Center them prominently on the screen. Timer. Add a countdown timer or progress bar to create suspense. Answer. Reveal section. Reserve space for the answer to appear after the timer. Automate slide creation. Use Canva's bulk. Create feature to generate slides for all questions automatically. Import your emoji question table into Canva via the Bulk Create app. Map each column, e.g. emoji 1, emoji 2, answer, to its respective design element. Canva will generate individual slides for each question, saving hours of work. Add animations. Apply simple animations like pop for emojis and fade in for text to make your slides more engaging. Step 4. Adding audio and voiceovers. Audio is crucial for bringing your video to life. Here's how to integrate it seamlessly. Generate voiceovers with 11 Labs. 11 Labs is perfect for creating realistic, high-quality voiceovers. Paste your ChatGPT-generated script into 11 Labs. Choose a voice style, energy, cheerful, conversational. Generate and download the audio files. Background music and sound effects. Add royalty-free background music to set the tone. Choose upbeat, playful tracks for quizzes. Incorporate sound effects like a ticking clock during the timer or a ding sound for correct answers. Sync audio in Canva. Upload your voiceovers and music to Canva. Use the timeline feature to align audio with the visuals for each question. Step 5. Polishing and finalizing the video. Review and edit. Play through the entire video to check for errors or timing issues. Ensure transitions are smooth and animations are synced with the audio. Export in high quality. Download your video in 1080p or 4K resolution for the best results. Step 6. Publishing and promoting your video. Craft a click-worthy title and thumbnail. Use phrases like, "Can you guess these emoji words?" Or "Only OneBert can solve this emoji quiz." Design a bold, colorful thumbnail in Canva to grab attention. Optimize for search. Use keywords like emoji quiz, guess the emoji, and fun riddles in your title, description, and tags. Engage your audience. Encourage viewers to comment their scores or challenge their friends. Respond to comments to build a loyal audience. Conclusion. Congratulations! You have now learned how to create viral emoji quiz videos from start to finish. Now let's see our final video.
Welcome to the Ultimate Emoji Quiz, where your brain meets the world of emojis. Here's how it works. You'll get 10 seconds to guess the word based on the emoji pair we show you. For every correct answer, you score 1 point. Think you're up for the challenge? Keep track of your score and let us know in the comments how many points you rack up by the end of the quiz. Are you ready? Let's jump right in. First one, can you get it? Sunflower, that's a blooming good guess. Great job. Let's see if you can guess this one. Rainbow, you're a pot of gold at the end of this quiz. Here comes the next one. Can you get it? Thunderstorm, electrifying guess. All right, those were the first 3. Have you guessed them all so far? Let's see if you can get this one right. Snowflake, cool answer, you're on fire. Next up, can you figure this one out? Moonlight, that's a glowing success. What do you think of this next one? Seashore, that's a sure thing. Here's another pair of emojis for you.
By leveraging AI tools like ChatGPT and Canva, you can streamline the process and produce high-quality content in no time. Start experimenting, stay consistent, and watch your channel grow.